about the state of Kerala as the country is outraged by what happened in the state of West Bengal. A report has revealed the dark side of Malayalam film industry, detailing the sexual harassment faced by the women actors. The Justice Hema Committee report, which looked into the problems faced by the women working in the Malayalam film industry, has finally been made public. And the report, which was with the state government for the last 4.5 years, was released after several rounds of legal battles in the court as well as at the State Information Commission. Now, the report makes some startling revelation with respect to what female actors have to face in the industry, from casting couch to sexual favors to torture. The report details it all. Now, let's look at some of the findings as far as the report is concerned. The leader of opposition in Kerala Assembly, V.D. Sandesan, questioned the state government over the delay in the release of the report. Now, the National Commission of Protection for Child Rights chairperson Priyanka Nungu has also raised serious alarm over this report that has come in. But definitely this report raises a lot of question about the sexual harassment of female actors in Malayalam industry.
സിനിമാ മേഖലയിൽ ലൈംഗിക ചൂഷണവും ക്രിമിനൽ വൽക്കരണവും അരാജകത്വവും അതുപോലെ ഉള്ള സംഭവങ്ങളും നടക്കുന്നു എന്നുള്ളത് ഞെട്ടിക്കുന്ന കാര്യമാണ്. കാരണം ഇത് വ്യാപകമായിരിക്കുകയാണ് ചൂഷണം എന്നാണ് റിപ്പോർട്ട് സൂചിപ്പിക്കുന്നത്. അതിനേക്കാൾ നമ്മളെ വിഷമിപ്പിക്കുന്നത് 4.5 വർഷക്കാലം ഇതുപോലത്തെ ഒരു റിപ്പോർട്ട് കയ്യിൽ വെച്ച് അത് പുറത്തു വയ്ക്കാതെ അതിനു മീതെ സർക്കാർ എന്തിന് അടയിരുന്നു എന്ന ചോദ്യമാണ്. ഇത്രയും ഈ സ്ത്രീ അനുകൂല വർത്തമാനം മാത്രം പറയുന്ന, സ്ത്രീപക്ഷ വർത്തമാനം മാത്രം പറയുന്ന ആളുകൾ അധികാരത്തിലിരിക്കുമ്പോൾ ഇത്രമാത്രം വലിയൊരു സ്ത്രീ വിരുദ്ധത നടന്നിട്ട് അതിനെ സംബന്ധിച്ച് ഒരു നടപടിയും സ്വീകരിച്ചില്ല എന്ന് മാത്രമല്ല, ആ റിപ്പോർട്ട് പുറത്തുവിടാതെ ഇരുന്നത് ആരെ രക്ഷിക്കാനാണ്, ആർക്ക് വേണ്ടിയാണ്, എന്തിനു വേണ്ടിയാണെന്ന് മുഖ്യമന്ത്രി വ്യക്തമാക്കണം.
Report has been, I think, it's been kept in the dark for the past 3 years, I guess. 3 or 4 years, right? I recorded my statement over there. So I have my legal right. I have my fundamental rights to express there for my privacy and my confidentiality and the assurances given by the 3-member panelists. The reason why I went there is not to punish the perpetrators. I want a redressal for all the women of the cinema. The cinema has changed. We are now living in 21st century, 2024. My versions were based on 1990 incidents, and it's still the same. They were all the third parties.
My colleague Jayalakshmi joins us live on the broadcast. Jayalakshmi, this shows the dark side of the Malayalam industry, but BJP is questioning why it took so much time for the state government to release this report.
Certainly that is again one of the biggest questions that the political parties here are asking, that, the state government had accompanied the Justice Hema, and they had promised this Justice Hema Commission, and the commission was formed with the help of the government and everything, and this report was already there, since last 4 years. The report was submitted 2018. Why was this report kept in the dark is the question again, and the state government, although said that it was never the government who was denying to publish the report. They said that they had other legal challenges that was there, and that is the state government's version of it. But again, politics never cease to end. But we also know how the entire report had shattered the Malayalam film industry. How there is the cases of sexual favors in exchange of giving roles, and casting couches, and no remuneration for the female artists. So these are the major issues, issues that are being faced by the female actresses in the industry is what the report highlights. And we know that this was formed by a specific commission, Women in Cinema Collective, which was formed after the 2017 actor assault case, where an actress was assaulted by a very popular actor, where Dilip was also accused in it.
Well, that's right. From casting couch to sexual favors to torture, this is what the reports detail. Thanking Jayalakshmi for all the details. Now, moving on.